96%. That's the percentage of indie game developers who never make a dime with their games. Crazy, right? But here's the thing. It's not because they're not talented. It's not because they don't have great ideas. It's because they fall into the same traps over and over again. Hi, I'm Justin G, and over the past 8 years, I've gone from knowing absolutely nothing about coding to earning over $1 million with my own mobile games. In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain on why so many indie devs fail and what you can do to avoid becoming part of that statistic. Stick with me until the end, and I'll be sharing 3 game-changing strategies that allowed me to turn my games from passion projects into profit machines. Let's go. These are 2 of the biggest mistakes that keep indie developers broke. Mistake number 1, treating your game like an art project instead of a product. Listen, I get it. You want to create your own magnum opus, a game that gets glowing reviews and inspires a cult following. But here's the truth. If you're not thinking about market demand, monetization, and player retention from day one, you're setting yourself up for heartbreak. You know the old saying, build it and they will come? Yeah. Not in the app stores. Mistake number 2 is not doing your homework. So many devs spend years perfecting their dream game, only to realize after launch that there's no audience for it. This is where market research comes in. I'll tell you how to do that the right way in a bit, so hang tight. Now I'm going to be breaking down why monetization failed. How many times have you downloaded a game, played for 2 minutes and thought, too many ads? Or worse, this feels like a cash grab. Here's the problem. Too many developers think throwing ads or paywalls at players will automatically make them money. Spoiler alert, it doesn't. Successful monetization isn't just about squeezing money from players. It's about building an ecosystem where they want to spend. If you're still watching, you're already ahead of 90% of devs because you care about what works. Let's talk about mindset. Most indie devs are stuck in a launch and hope cycle. They build a game, throw it on the store, and cross their fingers. Successful developers, on the other hand, treat their games like businesses. You want to research your audience, test your ideas, and constantly iterate. These steps may not seem sexy, but they work. When I launched Real Money Word Search, I didn't just guess what players wanted. I ran tests, I got feedback, and I optimized the game to climb to the top 50 charts. Alright, so here's what you've been waiting for. The 3 strategies that took me from 0 to $1 million. Number 1, solve a player problem. Players don't just want games, they want solutions. Bored, they want something fun. Competitive, they want something challenging. Tap into what your players need and you'll never run out of demand. Number 2, monetize smartly. Learn to balance free players and payers. Use non-intrusive ads, create optional purchases, and if you're building skill-based games, integrate real cash tournaments. That's how my games keep players coming back for more. Number 3, market ruthlessly. Even the best game won't make money without people knowing about it. Use App Store optimization, collaborate with influencers, and build a community. My Discord is full of developers who share marketing hacks that actually work. The key is to start marketing before you launch. Now you know the truth. You don't need $1 million budget, a massive team, or stroke of good luck to make money as an indie developer. You just need the right strategies. If you're ready to start your journey, I've got something special for you. Download my free ebook, and it's packed with the exact strategies I used to go from 0 to $1 million with my own mobile games. And don't forget to join my Discord community for live coaching, giveaways, and exclusive content. The 4% is waiting for you. So if you're ready to join us, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's make your indie game dreams a reality. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and peace out.